Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Rhino 3D. Before starting this tutorial, I like to announce that the Parametric course will be available in 3 weeks. Pre-sale is now available. Those who want to get a 60% off pre-sale, contact me via email, Instagram, or Telegram. Let's model a beautiful parametric clock. Draw a rectangle. Extrude it. Draw a polyline in the middle of the box. Use the twist command. Select the center and check infinite to yes. Draw a circle as the base of the clock. Use flow along curve to apply the twisted box to the circle. Check the stretch option to yes. Use the contour command for cross sections. Set the distance between contours to 1. Make the contours into a group. Use flow along curve again. The result wasn't good. Decided to change the distance between contours. Use the contour command. Set the distance between contours to 0.5 this time. Flow along the curve to apply the contours to the circle. Use a planar surface. Select the last created object. Offset surface. Boolean difference. Offset curve. Extrude. I would like to announce that the Parametric course will be available in 3 weeks. Pre-sale is now available. Those who want to get a 60% off pre-sale, contact me via email, Instagram, or Telegram. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.